Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is coriander chutney. Coriander chutney is a vibrant, flavorful and popular in Indian cuisine. The chutney's refreshing aroma and health benefits make it a favorite choice for enhancing the overall taste and nutritional value of meals. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, coriander chutney not only elevates the taste of meals but also brings numerous health benefits. Let's get started. Add 1/4 cup of dry coconut pieces in a pan and dry roast for 2 minutes on low heat. Coriander is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which may help boost overall health. Some potential benefits include aiding digestion, improving heart health, supporting immune function, and providing anti-inflammatory properties. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 14 to 15 red chilies. Adjust red chilies as per your taste. Saute them for 2 minutes on low heat. Let them cool completely. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 chopped onion and handful of coriander leaves. Clean coriander leaves thoroughly before cooking. Saute until it turns aromatic on low heat. Let it cool completely. Now grind roasted dry coconut pieces and roasted red chilies. Add salt as per your taste and small lemon size of tamarind. Now grind into fine powder. Add sauteed onion and coriander. Add little water and grind into paste. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of mustard seeds and few curry leaves. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Add grinded coriander paste. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. Calling all chutney lovers, share your thoughts below. Give the recipe a try and kindly share your feedback in the comments. You can find more chutney recipes in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Very tasty and healthy coriander chutney is ready. Serve with hot rice and ghee. You can store this coriander chutney in refrigerator for 1 week. If you are aware of any other health benefits of coriander, feel free to share them by commenting below. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.